All right, welcome back. So hit Control S for me real quick. We're going to turn these effects off. And now we're going to talk about the channel mixer. So let's go and click on channel mixer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the red, the green, and the blue. And you can adjust contrast if you want. Whoa, that's kind of cool. We can totally make him look funky as a monkey. There you go. We'll leave it like that. So our output channels is red. If it's green or blue, there you go. You can edit all those. So you can edit the different channels, red, green, and blue. If you have a layer mask, then you can edit that as well. So that is the channel mixer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and make sure that you hit Control S to save. Now I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.